Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to verify our phone number on a YouTube account. First thing, I'm going to open the Google and then I'm going to type on the address bar, I'm going to type studio.youtube.com so that I can access my YouTube channel. But you must make sure that your Google account have been opened with the same email accounts which you've used to create your YouTube channel. Now it takes me direct to my channel dashboard. It's a new channel, by the way. There's no video, so I'm going to the settings down here, click it, and then on the list select channel, and then on the tabs you have to select that eligibility there at the end. Okay, as you can see on the intermediate it's not enabled. If you expand it, you can see it say verify your phone number. Click it. Now most of the time here, whenever you try to put your number, it will give you an error message telling you that we cannot verify this number, or maybe this number has been used in many time or whatever. It doesn't allow you to go to the next step to verify your account. As you can see, the error, no matter which number you're going to type here, it will give you the same error. So today I'm going to show you the easiest way for you to verify your YouTube channel by using these numbers, free numbers, which they are called the visual numbers, the public numbers. So what you're going to do, we're going to open another tab here. After opening another tab, we are going to type this text saying visual phone number. Visual phone number, it means they are public numbers, anyone can use them. The good thing is they're just free, but the problem or the risk is that anyone can see your text message. So don't verify the accounts which are very confidential. Just use for those accounts which are not that much confidential. And the link that I'm going to select is called eSIM. Yes, this one, eSIM Plus. You click it, and the country that I'm prefer to use is the Canada country. So find a number from a Canada and make sure it says new. Okay, so we have to use the number which has not been used with a lot of people for verifications. If you use the number which have been used more than once, or more than 10 to 2 or 5 people to verify your YouTube channel, it won't allow you. As you can see, it has only 12 messages. This is good. Okay, so what you're supposed to do now, we are supposed to because we'll come back to copy the number. That first, let's go there and change from Tanzania to Canada, because we are about to use a phone number from Canada. Okay, so okay now, now let's go back and change the country from Tanzania to Canada. Canada, yes, there. Now we are going to copy the number, and then we're going to paste that number in this area of the phone number. You copy it. After copying it, you go back. Okay, just click there to copy. You go back, you paste the phone number there. And then see, when you click it, now it allows us to go to the next next step. So now let's go back there and just refresh this public phone number and see if our verification code will come to us. Voila, as you can see, our verification code from YouTube with this one, we copy it, then we go there, we paste it. But remember, it's a public, so everyone can see your message. Done. Our account has been verified successfully. As you can see, the blue tick there, YouTube account, our YouTube channel has been activated successfully. Our phone number is verified successfully. So now, since our account has been verified, I will prove to you that it's verified. I will go back there on my YouTube channel and let's wait. Okay, I'll cancel this one and let's refresh. After refreshing, let's go back to the settings and see if in eligibility area it's all enabled. Now you see, phone number verified is enabled. The good thing of this is that now, since our account has been verified, our phone number is verified, we can be allowed to upload thumbnails. We know thumbnail is very important. If you're advertising your videos, a thumbnail is very attractive, so people can click you on video and view your video just because of thumbnail. Let's upload a simple video and show you that now we can upload thumbnail without any problem. Simple video, let's click it, and as you can see, let me go right to the thumbnail. You see, when you click it, it doesn't force you to verify your number. Now it just take you direct to your locations where you have saved your pictures. You can select it and put it as a thumbnail. As you can see, very simple and easy. Thumbnail is uploading, the videos keep on uploading, so there's no issue at all. We have solved the problem. But I want to tell you, we have to make sure you're not using those confidential accounts to verify using this method. Why? Because the numbers are public, anyone can see your messages. Okay, thank you for watching and goodbye. Ciao.